decided to drink some tea. He failed to pass the test, you see. She managed quick to find the keys. You promised once to help me, please. He always refuses to go to bed. They seem to be sleeping, somebody said. I agreed to water the flowers. They hope to win in the final hours. My parents wanna dance, let's go. Prepare to meet your friends, hello. I didn't mean to hurt you then, but I'll practice speaking English again. We avoid meeting him, no doubt. I can't help eating, shout it out. Fancy drinking coffee today. I don't feel like working, I wanna play. I can't imagine your new design. They don't mind opening windows, that's fine. My friend suggested playing for fun. I can't stand eating food, I'm done. She spends her time playing tennis, 'cause she enjoys playing tennis. I'm finishing eating sweets, so true.